Welcome to Tech Brother Zamir. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a YouTube thumbnails for your video by using ChatGPT. That's very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and create a picture or thumbnail that I would like to use for my video. This thumbnail is related to my walk that I did from Karachi to Islamabad, and I want to add that to one of the video. So let's write the prompt here. I already have written the prompt. I'm just going to paste it here so we will save some time. So I'm asking create me a picture, a mid-aged man around 45-year-old walking with his backpack, and he's having his walking stick with him. Add some famous picture in background from Pakistan as this walk is done in Pakistan. Okay, so if I provide this prompt, let's see what type of picture it will create for us. Okay, our picture is ready, and honestly I am satisfied with this picture. Almost looks like me like homeless. I don't know, if you walk for 40 days or 60 days in Pakistan across country, you are gonna look like something like this anyways. So here is great. We have some background. This is a Badshahi Mosque that's from Lahore. But it's not showing the city, it's showing the village, but I'm okay. It is a combination of different things. You have the villages, you have some famous places that you would like to show in your thumbnails and all that. So this is great. Now I can add some more, like let's say if I want to be like in background, I would like to see Faisal Mosque, Islamabad. Okay, so if I don't like that this picture, maybe I want to put some other famous place in the background, I have the option. I can go and just provide the different prompt and it will help me to create that. Okay, that looks great. I like this picture. It has Islamabad on the back end, and here is the Faisal Mosque, closest to the picture what Faisal Mosque looks like. So that's great. So I can use this picture. Now if I want to go ahead and download, I can download this picture from here. It's gonna ask me to save, so I can save it here. But we really don't know if this picture is in the format that YouTube thumbnail accepts. Sometimes it creates a small size picture, and then when you download and try to upload to the YouTube, it doesn't work because the size is small. It will show in just in the middle of that thumbnail. So I'm gonna ask this, hey, what is the recommended size of YouTube thumbnail? So I'm gonna just ask that. So it is telling me this is the resolution or pixels that it can accept. That's good. So I'm going to ask, hey, generate me PNG, or you can say JPEG file for a bulk picture with the size this one. Now I'm asking this because I have to download the file, so I can simply, it's gonna create me a download link, and I can simply download and then use that file right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and download, save it, and now if I go to my folders, I should have this picture right there. That's great, because if you might ask, like, hey, when you downloaded the first time, it was exactly the same size right there. So for me, yes, because I was playing with it, and it took me a little bit time to tell, like, hey, I'm generating these pictures for the YouTube, and that's why it took that recommended size. But for you, maybe first time when you do that, you will struggle, and you have to provide this information that I just did this in the prompt to provide this much information, so it's gonna then expand the picture. Otherwise, if you will normally create the picture is gonna be this size on the left side. It's not gonna be this size that you are seeing right now. Now one more thing I noticed, if I will tell this ChatGPT, like if I'm creating this picture for the YouTube thumbnail and all that, it always adds something related to the YouTube. Maybe in this, not in this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So I'll say create a picture done in Pakistan. I will be using this picture because I was creating some thumbnails for other channel that my daughter has it. Her channel name is the Bro and Sis Math Club. Anytime I say, hey, create me a thumbnail for my YouTube channel, and then provide the description, what happened, it add the YouTube button and YouTube text and all those kind of things, and that's very much annoying, so that like that's but in this case I'm lucky, like it's not generating that, otherwise it will bring the YouTube logo here and all those, so just make sure you don't have to tell like you are doing for YouTube, just remove that part and let it be like, hey, create me a picture. And now you see the size, see, this is what I was talking about. Now when I said that like size, now this size is not YouTube's size that you can use for the thumbnail, this is small size, so that's why you always have to tell this part with it. So if you say so, now if you notice this picture is still here, right? And if I will scroll up and you see that this whole picture is added when you will give the actual size, so this picture is not going to fit with your YouTube thumbnail. So I will say regenerate above picture with size. Okay, now it's going to adjust and see right there, now it's working, but once it's get the work done, it's going to expand when and we will be able to download and upload to the YouTube without any problem. Honestly, it still did not do it. If you will try to upload this image to YouTube, it's not going to work, so you have to kind of enforce it and tell him again, hey, guess what, this picture you have provided me, this is not working for me, and and let me actually download and show you, you might guess like what he's talking about. So if I download this picture, go back here, see right there, see the difference, this picture, you see this picture, if you see in the larger here, I'm gonna open, you can open with the paint, this alright. So see, this is not YouTube formatted, the YouTube is more like a horizontal length is more, so that's this one, that one, this is perfect for YouTube. So you have to go back here and say like, guess what, okay, so we did try again, let's see if this time it will help us or at least respect us because we are given like, this is the third time we are gonna say like download the resize image. And now if I will go ahead and download, so you have to play every time, it's not gonna be great. Yeah, now see, this is perfect. So if you open this one, now this looks great. Yeah, you could ask more like, hey, remove the background, I don't want this and that, and regenerate and all that, but once you like the picture, just ask for the right size and it will help. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in the next video.